Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best metal detectors for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Garrett Ace 250. The LCD display is also in a class of its own. Along with the standard discrimination, sensitivity features and headphone jack, this unit comes with a pinpoint feature, which is also found on the new Home Innovations starter kit, and many other pre-programmed modes for searching for different types of metals. The screen is easy to read and also displays the estimated depth of the metal it finds. No other detector can compare to this Garrett Ace 250 in terms of ergonomics. The only downside to this unit is the relatively high price tag. While there are much more expensive models out there, this one does cost the most of the 7 we've tested. The Garrett Ace 250 is the most reliable metal detector when it comes to locating coins, relics, and gold. Its solid frame, padded handle, and Velcro-strapped forearm rest make this metal detector the most comfortable model. At number 4, Underground Metal Detector Metal Finder. Practical metal detector. Perfect for finding metal objects and anywhere that hidden metal needs to be detected. Besides, this easy-to-operate metal detector suitable for research or educational use as well. Designed to find metal, with all metal and disc 2 modes to search gold and silver jewelry, coins and other metal in the ground. Adjustable height of metal detector. Adjust the detector's length for comfortable use. Detection indication. Audio alert and pointer indicate the detection of metal. Waterproof search coil. You can use the metal detector in the shallow water. Need to find gold and silver jewelry, coins and other metal in the ground? Try this one. With this powerful and versatile metal detector, you can hunt for coins, relics, jewelry, gold and silver everywhere. It is also widely used in detecting aluminum, copper and rare metals and anywhere that hidden metal needs to be detected. At number 3, National Geographic Pro Series Metal Detector. This professional metal detector is easy to use and fully adjustable. It's light enough for the kids to operate but built with the advanced technology and powerful searching features desired by the pros. Take it to the beach, park, or on a hike and find treasure everywhere you go. The telescoping design makes this detector so portable you'll never want to leave it at home. Portable yet powerful. The large, waterproof, 10-inch coil is lightweight, and the collapsible design makes it easy to transport. Use it in your yard, bring it to the beach, or any of your favorite treasure hunting spots. Detect treasure as deep as 12 inches with 4 sensitivity levels, while filtering out garbage metals with the 3 detection modes. Use the pinpoint feature for added precision and to help you distinguish trash from treasure. At number 2, Fischer F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector. The Fischer F22 from Fischer Research Labs is a professional all-purpose metal detector. The F22's weatherproof design makes it perfect for hunting in any condition. Easy to use, advanced features and rugged design make the F22 the choice of experienced metal detectorists worldwide. Step up to the F22 and take advantage of the most cost-effective, weatherproof detector available today. Weatherproof metal detector that can detect jewelry, coins, and artifacts on land and shallow water. Finds metal targets on the surface and buried up to 9 inches deep. This metal detector is weatherproof for use in the harshest weather and environments. Rain or shine, this metal detector can find treasure. A metal detector made for adults but easy enough for a child to operate. Easy-to-use features like discrimination, sensitivity, notch, and pinpoint make finding treasures buried deep underground a breeze. Finally at number 1, Bounty Hunter, Gold Digger. We were pleasantly surprised to find that, overall, the Bounty Hunter, Gold Digger came in 3rd place in our test results, and yet it is the second cheapest model out of all 7 detectors we tested. We admit that this detector does not look special, with only a power level, trash eliminator, and sensitivity meter on the display, but it gets the job done. When all features are adjusted properly, this budget unit finds treasures with the best of them. The Bounty Hunter, Gold Digger received an overall third-place score on our 5 tests and can reliably find treasures in most conditions. Though it excelled on our tests, this metal detector is actually the second cheapest model that we tested. Power level, trash eliminator, and sensitivity meter features work very well together on the Gold Digger, and it was the only one to come with headphones. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.